ako pa yung mayor na tipo na mayor ha, na ayaw ko mag-utang. So, never in my 3 terms, ako nag-utang
Bakit?
for project in the
Why?
city. I just feel na kung ano yung nandyan, yan lang yung gastusin. Para hindi tayo naghahabol ng bayad ng interest and bayad ng utang. So, kung ano yung nandyan, usually, ang nangyayari sa amin is that kung hindi kasya yung pera, ginagawa naming 3-year, 4-year development plan. So, we invest a small amount every year until matapos yung project. So, that is what usually happens. But, luckily, nagawa naman namin na on time kami magbayad, and we are targeting to be debt-free by 2022.
By 2022. And are you on track to being that?
Yes. Oo.
And is this
We are on track. And I'm so happy, very happy ako na wala na kaming hinahabol na malaki na payment sa utang is interest.